Hello, hello, hello. I am Lauren King Garden, and it's Thursday, y'all, so you know it's time for Money Talks. Now, I am in the beautiful Tulum, Mexico, but an accountant's job is never done, so I had to come to you today just to talk about business finance, okay? So, this week in March, we were talking about how to consistently pay ourselves, okay? And last week, we discussed small plate accounting as a cash flow strategy that would allow you to better manage your money and thus pay yourself a little bit more consistently. This week, I want to talk about maybe the reason that you are not able to pay yourself consistently is high operating costs. So if your business is running and your operating costs are a little higher than they need to be, there are a couple things that you can implement to help get your resources back under control so that you can get money back in your pocket. We want you to be able to pay yourself because it's motivating. It makes you want to continue on your journey for whatever you're doing, whatever your genius is. Sometimes money is a motivator. You have to provide for yourself and your family. So let me help you do that, okay? So getting these operating costs together, one, I would recommend ensuring that your books are up to date. So whether you have a bookkeeper or you're doing your books yourself, you need to make sure that they are accurate and complete and up to date. You do not want to make decisions on operations using old information, old or dated information. It's not going to help you make the best decision in the moment. So make sure that your numbers are up to date. Number two, and this is bringing me back to my audit bag, so you know I'm really excited to talk about processes, dear, okay? So when you're thinking about your operational processes, you need to document them. Do them the same every single time. And when you're documenting your processes, you can see if there are redundancies in some of the things that you're doing. And those redundancies could cost you money, especially if you're paying other people to do those things. So if you haven't done it yet, document your processes. Put together a process flow so that when you hire someone, or even if you're doing it yourself, you're not wasting time trying to figure things out. You already have a set way to do it every single time. It's also going to help you improve your client delivery, okay? Because you have clearly thought out exactly what you want to be done, how you want it to be done, and how you need your team to deliver those services. So mapping out all of your processes, I mean, if you just take a look at your entire company, not just certain client delivery or operations, it'll help you to compare to see like, oh, we do this here, we do this here. Maybe we can get rid of this one thing because it's being done over here by this person or that system. So getting rid of redundancies will really help you to handle your operating costs. Again, getting you to pay yourself consistently, to consistency. Okay. Number three, the third thing that I really, really want you to do, it is cash flow strategy. We're going to hit back onto profit first. Set goals to reach, okay? You want to keep your operating costs below a certain percentage because that is the way for you to be able to pay yourself. If you have figured out that strategy, then stay within your targets. If you can see that staying under 30% will allow you to pay yourself more, try to keep your costs under 30%. You got to be really disciplined about it. And budgeting will also help you to do that, okay? So if you take a look back at what you spent and then you budget so that you don't spend over that, and if you have to, if something comes up, the way your small plate accounting and the way that you set things up will have you, because you'll have your profit account, like we talked about last week. You'll have your profit account there just in case of emergencies. So refer to last week and get it together. So just to recap, make sure your books are accurate so you're making decisions based on really good numbers and you can see where you can scale back. Document your processes and find all of the leaks that can be taken away from money that's going in your pocket. And refer to week one. Let's get our small plane accounting together, our cash flow strategy together, so that you can really pay yourself. So again, I'm Lauren King Garden. I hope that this information has helped you. And if you have any questions, just let us know. You can comment down below in the comments, or you can send us a direct message and we are here to help. We really enjoy coming to you every week and just talking about things that we do. And we hope that it helps you do the things that you do even better. So I bid you adieu here from beautiful Mexico, and I pray that you have a wonderful week. I will talk to you next Thursday. This has been Money Talks with Lauren King Garden. Until next time.